That being said, I think it's just a matter of brute force at this point. So yeah, I think it was important to take these two screws out here, these bolts out here, and to support the nose, this crank nose, and then just maybe tap around here to free up 16, 17, 18 years of tension on the outside of the case. Let's spray a little WD-40 down in that gap as well. That ain't gonna hurt anything. Let's see if that'll help me a little bit here. There. It ain't gonna hurt. All right. Let's start with that, and now we'll go with a little jiggle technique. Let's see if I can jiggle this thing around it. Yeah, okay, that's a lot better. There it comes already. That WD-40 did a hell of a job to convince that forward. All right, so now I don't want anything touching the bottom of this thing because I want it to slide out. And I'm going to need to get these 2x4s out of the way. So I'll go ahead and shove a couple of those 2x4s on the back side of this motor. Just the lip is holding there. Let's see here. I mean, the motor mounts are going to take the weight of this thing, really. But if you're doing field service work, that would not be your best way to go put all that torque on that damn motor mount and chance of ripping it. There's really no easy way to do this at this point, so let's just get rid of it. Pull this stator right off. This thing's on casters, so making it more pain in the get some regular gloves on. These things are just slipping on me. For the inevitable problem with 100 pounds worth of junk falling on my fingers. All right, let's give the shot again. Cradle it. It ain't light. Oh, I don't like my hands being underneath this son of a bitch. That fucker heavy. That is heavy. I should have freed these up already. I didn't see that. These zip ties. That one. So this cable is for your harness. Holy shit, is that thing heavy. I mean, I can let the whole weight of it rest on my hands here. It's not crushing or anything, but that thing is that's a tank. I sure would feel better if this was riding on something a little higher. Keep it from torquing that whole motor. A little bit of support there. There it was. Now, maybe that'll help it to glide off a little bit better. Anyway, glad we're messing around with this one to try to get a little technique going here for when it matters. Probably grab it right here. Slide it a lot easier than what I was doing. And now it's wanting to torque down. The rotor's wanting to push down. So thinking if I have one 2x4 flat underneath that rotor and this other one, I can go flip it. I think that should better than was. Wow, man! I mean, yeah, it'd be really nice to have a specialty tool for this to install these things. Maybe weld myself up something for this. That's a pain in the ass. 2x4 to pull up on this to get this thing out of here. There we go. That's better. All right, good. Now we have an idea, sort of an idea. Well, man, have to reinstall a stator next time, but good lordy, that's a pain in the ass. I'm just gonna say that right now. That's a pain in the ass.